New application signatures can cause a change in policy enforcement. For example, an application that the firewall once allowed could be re-identified by a newly released application signature and blocked by a policy rule. To mitigate against application unavailability, you can create a security policy rule that temporarily allows some or all new applications to traverse the firewall. For example, let's look at a security policy rule that allows new Office applications. So here we're at Policies, Security, and we'll look at the rule called Allow Only New Apps. The Allow Only New Apps rule allows the application named New Office Apps Filter. In this example, the application is actually an application filter that can match multiple applications that share common characteristics. Such a policy rule depends on you to pre-configure an application filter that uses the characteristic called New App ID. Configure a filter with this characteristic by browsing to Objects, Application Filters. Normally, you would click Add to create a new application filter. But in this example, the filter has already been created. Let's click the filter to open it. This filter is configured to match Office programs like Office 365 or Google Docs, and specifically to match only those Office programs for which new application signatures have been released in the last month. The capability of matching only new signatures released in the last month is attained by clicking the Apply to New App IDs Only checkbox. This checkbox represents the New App ID characteristic. The New App ID characteristic matches any new application released as part of the latest Applications and Threats content update. Each month, when new application signatures are released as part of a new content update, the application filter automatically will match only new Office applications released in the latest content update. Because new application signatures are released only once a month, you have a month to add or adjust the remaining policy rules to match and control any new application signatures. In the next month, this application filter would match only new Office program signatures that were released that month. Again, you would have another month to update your remaining policy rules to match and control those new application signatures.